So today, we are discussing the exciting developments in Ghana's automotive sector, where a new partnership with Japan is paving the way for Ghana to become a key player in car manufacturing. As the global demand for cars grows and the need for localized production increases, this partnership is set to position Ghana as a major force in Africa's automotive industry. Stick around to learn about the latest steps in this groundbreaking collaboration, its impact on the Ghanaian youth, and how Japan would play a pivotal role in advancing Ghana's automotive dreams. As always, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Let's get right into this video. Ghana's automotive industry is on the rise, and now with Japan about to step in as a key partner, the sector is set to experience unprecedented growth. The Japanese ambassador to Ghana, Mochizuki Sanobu, recently reaffirmed Japan's commitment to helping Ghana develop an automotive industry that can compete on the global scale. At the Japan-Ghana Auto Connect show in Accra, Mr. Hisanobu expressed confidence in Ghana's potential, saying, "Ghana has shown tremendous prospects over the last few years, proving its capacity to become the African giant in automotive development." He emphasized Japan's readiness to share its technological expertise with Ghana, ensuring that the country's automotive industry reaches international standards. This collaboration is about more than just building cars. It's a strategic partnership aimed at capacity building, skills transfer, and creating sustainable employment opportunities for Ghanaians. With Japan being one of the world's leaders in technological innovation, the partnership is expected to bring cutting-edge automotive technology and manufacturing processes to Ghana. One of the key elements of this partnership is the Japan-Ghana Auto Connect show, a groundbreaking event organized by Dapol Company Limited in collaboration with the Japan-Ghana Economic and Cultural Exchange, dubbed Auto Skills Beyond Borders. This initiative is focused on building the capacity and knowledge of Ghana's technical institutions and individuals working in the automotive industry. The show brings together a host of important partners, including the Ghana TVET Service, Complementary Education Agency, Green Auto Factory AICH, and Ghana Limited. This initiative highlights the importance of technical education and vocational training in boosting Ghana's automotive sector, equipping participants with the skills needed to thrive in the competitive global market. The program will allow Ghana to not only gain practical skills in automotive technology, but also will learn the Japanese language and culture. This dual approach ensures that the participants are fully prepared for the opportunities that come with working in and alongside Japanese automotive companies, both in Ghana and potentially abroad. As part of this initiative, Japan and Ghana have signed a formal agreement to collaborate on enhancing the country's automotive industry. This agreement is much more than just a symbol of gesture. It's a roadmap for creating a sustainable and competitive automotive manufacturing sector in Ghana. Under this agreement, Ghanaian youth will receive specialized training in automotive skills, both locally and through opportunities to study in Japan. This training will cover cutting-edge automotive technologies, production techniques, and maintenance practices, ensuring that Ghanaian workers are equipped with the expertise to excel in the industry. Beyond the technical training, participants will also learn about Japanese business culture, which will help them integrate more easily into Japanese firms operating in Ghana. This cultural exchange is crucial as it opens doors for Ghanaians to not only work for Japanese companies in their home country but also secure employment opportunities in Japan itself. The automotive sector in Ghana is poised to become a significant driver of economic growth thanks in part to this Japan-Ghana collaboration. The Deputy Director General of Ghana TVET Service, Mrs. Lily Jima, emphasized that the program will offer participants a unique opportunity to deepen their automotive skills while gaining invaluable knowledge of the Japanese language and culture. This will greatly enhance their employability both within Ghana and on the international stage. Auto Connect will allow students and individuals in the automotive sector to study in Japan and learn the language as part of their training, she said, explaining how this initiative provides a well-rounded education that sets participants up for success. This collaboration is expected to create thousands of jobs in the local automotive industry. The skills learned through this program will enable Ghanaians to work in technical roles, management positions, and even as entrepreneurs in the automotive sector, boosting the nation's economy and positioning Ghana as a key player in car manufacturing across Africa. The Chief Executive Officer of Dapol Limited, Mr. Paul Amenin, noted that the Japan-Ghana Auto Connect program represents a major step forward in strengthening Ghana's automotive industry. He explained that by combining international collaboration with localized training, the program is helping to revolutionize the way technical institutions approach automotive education. The program not only focuses on skills development, but also promotes job creation and economic expansion. As Ghana's automotive sector grows, it will rely on well-trained local professionals to meet the demands of both domestic and international markets. Ghana's automotive sector has long been identified as a key area for growth, and with Japan's expertise now in the mix, the future looks incredibly promising. The Japan-Ghana Auto Connect initiative is one of many efforts aimed at building a world-class automotive industry that can compete globally while meeting the unique needs of the African market. With the training and knowledge gained from Japan experts, Ghanaian professionals will play a crucial role in expanding the local manufacturing base. This will enable the country to produce vehicles domestically, reduce its dependence on imports, and potentially become a hub for automotive production in West Africa. The collaboration also aligns with Ghana's broader industrialization agenda, particularly the Ghana Beyond Aid vision, which focuses on creating sustainable industries that drive economic independence. The long-term impact of the Japan-Ghana automotive partnership will be felt not only in the automotive sector, but across multiple industries as Ghana becomes a beacon of innovation and industrialization in Africa. The Japan-Ghana automotive partnership is a groundbreaking development in Ghana's industrial landscape. By combining Ghana's potential with Japanese technological prowess, the partnership is set to propel the country's automotive industry to new heights. This initiative offers more than just job creation. It's an opportunity for Ghana to become a leader in automotive manufacturing with the skills, expertise, and international connections to back it up. What do you think about this exciting partnership between Ghana and Japan? Could this be the beginning of a new era for Ghana's automotive industry? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. And don't forget to like and share this video, and also subscribe to this channel for more updates on Ghana's industrial transformation. Also, check out this video next on other amazing projects going on right here in Ghana. Until next time, stay tuned for more exciting developments in Ghana's journey towards becoming an industrial powerhouse.